An object the size of Manhattan is crossing through our solar system right this very moment, and scientists are panicking because it's defying every law of physics we know. Something strange happened to Comet 3I Atlas, and the explanation might forever change our understanding of alien life. In July 2025, telescopes in Chile detected something extraordinary traveling through space toward our solar system. This was no ordinary comet. The hyperbolic trajectory immediately confirmed that 3I Atlas came from outside our solar system, making it only the third confirmed interstellar object in the history of human astronomy. But what began as a fascinating discovery quickly transformed into one of the biggest scientific mysteries of 2025. When 3I Atlas approached the Sun in late October 2025, astronomers expected to see typical comet behavior. As it gets closer to the Sun, the heat should vaporize ice and dust on its surface, creating that bright, characteristic tail we all know. But when the first images were captured after the comet reappeared from behind the Sun in November, scientists were shocked. The tail had completely disappeared. On November 5, 2025, the R-Naves Observatory in Spain captured images that left the scientific community baffled. Where there should have been a massive tail of debris, about 13% of the comet's nucleus disintegrating and creating a visible trail, there was only a compact source of light. For an object weighing an incredible 33 billion tons and traveling through the inner solar system, this completely defies expectations. Professor Avi Loeb, renowned theoretical astrophysicist from Harvard University, raised a possibility that sent shockwaves through the scientific community and captured the imagination of millions worldwide. If 3I Atlas is not behaving like a typical comet, Loeb suggests we should consider the possibility that it might not be a natural object. In his analysis of the images, Loeb explained that a typical comet in this situation should exhibit a coma with gases being pushed by solar radiation pressure and solar wind, forming a tail pointing away from the Sun. But 3I Atlas remains intact, emitting only that mysterious compact source of light. Loeb's theory about alien technology may sound extreme, but the evidence is undeniably strange. The comet demonstrated what scientists call non-gravitational acceleration last week, meaning it's moving in ways that cannot be explained by the Sun's and planets' gravity alone. For natural objects like comets, this extra acceleration typically comes from gases being ejected as ice sublimates, creating a natural rocket effect. But without a visible tail, where is this extra force coming from? This isn't the first interstellar object to leave us confused. In 2017, Oumuamua became the first confirmed interstellar visitor, and it also exhibited non-gravitational acceleration without a visible tail, leading to intense debates that continue to this day. Now 3I Atlas is following a similar pattern, but this time astronomers are prepared with more advanced equipment and more observation time. The timing of the images is crucial to understanding this mystery. The November 5th photographs were taken at a 10-degree angle relative to the Sun, which some scientists argue could partially explain why the tail wasn't visible at that specific moment. However, as 3I Atlas continues its journey through our solar system, the observation angle is increasing, offering astronomers better opportunities for detailed observations. If there really is a tail, it should become more visible in the coming weeks. Enjoying this cosmic mystery? Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates about 3I Atlas and other unexplained phenomena happening right this very moment. The scale of this object is truly impressive. With a size comparable to Manhattan, 3I Atlas is substantially larger than Oumuamua, which should make it easier to study. On November 7, 2025, the comet was around magnitude 9.7, making it visible through backyard amateur telescopes during the pre-dawn hours. This accessibility means it's not just professional observatories tracking 3I Atlas, but hundreds of amateur astronomers worldwide are contributing observations. 3I Atlas's journey through our solar system has followed a predictable path so far. It reached its closest point to the Sun, called perihelion, around October 30th, 2025, at a distance of approximately 1.4 astronomical units, about 210 million kilometers. After passing perihelion, the comet emerged again in the sky before sunrise in November. During December 2025, 3I Atlas will move through the constellations Virgo and Leo, though it's expected to become dimmer than apparent magnitude 12 as it moves away from the Sun and eventually leaves our solar system forever. Here's where the story gets even more intriguing. On November 8, 2025, astronomer Michael Yeager reported observing a tail from the comet. This observation directly contradicts the earlier images that showed no tail whatsoever. So does 3I Atlas have a tail or not? This contradiction in observations only deepens the mystery and raises questions about whether the object is behaving intermittently, or if different observation angles and equipment are capturing different aspects of the same phenomenon. The initial detection of 3I Atlas was made by the NASA-funded Atlas telescope system in Chile on July 1, 2025. By the time the object was officially named on July 2, 2025, the Minor Planet Center had collected 122 observations of the comet from 31 different observatories. This global collaborative effort demonstrates how seriously the scientific community is taking this interstellar visitor. What makes 3I Atlas particularly valuable to science is that it represents a rare window into alien worlds. This object potentially spent billions of years traveling through interstellar space, crossing unimaginable distances before passing through our corner of the galaxy. The composition, structure, and behavior of 3I Atlas can tell us about conditions in completely different star systems, offering insights we simply cannot obtain by studying objects native to our own solar system. NASA officially identified 3I Atlas as a comet and not an asteroid last week, though this classification is now being questioned due to the object's anomalous behavior. The space agency emphasized there are no aliens and no threat to life here on Earth, attempting to calm public concerns. However, this reassuring statement hasn't answered the legitimate scientific questions about why this supposed comet is acting so differently from what's expected. Loeb argued that the absence of a tail could be further evidence that the object might be an artificial extraterrestrial vehicle. While this interpretation remains highly speculative and controversial within the scientific community, 3I Atlas's unusual features certainly deserve rigorous investigation without prematurely dismissing any possibility. After all, the scientific method teaches us to follow the evidence wherever it leads, even when it challenges our assumptions. The implications of this discovery extend far beyond academic curiosity. If 3I Atlas really is artificial, this would represent the most profound discovery in human history, the first confirmed evidence of intelligent technology beyond Earth. Even if it's a natural object with unusual properties, it's still teaching us that our understanding of comets and interstellar objects is incomplete and needs revision. As 3I Atlas continues its journey through our solar system over the coming weeks, telescopes around the world will remain focused on this cosmic enigma. Each new observation has the potential to solve the mystery or deepen it further. The improved observation angles in November and December 2025 will provide crucial data that may finally answer whether this object has a tail that was simply difficult to detect, or if it really is behaving in ways that challenge our current understanding of comet physics. What do you think about 3I Atlas? Is it a strange comet behaving in ways we don't yet understand, or could it really be something more? Subscribe to the channel, leave your like, and hit the bell icon to follow all developments in this fascinating mystery happening right above our heads at this very moment.